Hi, welcome to iZi-Tech. Today I'll be showing you on how to change your tires when you are in an emergency situation. Join me. Alright, these are the few tools. This is the wheel spanner, and this is the jack, and this is what we use to rotate the jack from this angle. And this is the tire. As you can see, our tire is down and we need to change it. So there are many situations whereby we could be in a very terrible location or so thereabouts, and we'll be confused on how we could change our tire. Most people even get stranded in the aspect of looking for help. So this video I'll be showing you how to do it yourself. So first of all, make sure your handbrakes are active, or your parking brakes are active. So then first of all, we start by slacking the bolts. Okay, ensure we slack the bolt before you use your jack. Make sure the bolts are loosened before you get to that point. Okay, so having done this, you use your jack, and if you look under, there's just a point under the vehicle at this point. So you must ensure you put the jack just above this, so that it can go in between before you start lifting it up. So good. Having done that, you start by using this, so we could take the car up. So you don't have to be as fast as I'm doing this. You just take your time, but making sure the vehicle goes high enough to put the tire you want to change to. So having done that, I think here this is a good height. Then make sure you bring out the nuts completely. Okay, now we're done removing all the nuts. Then you carefully remove the tire. Then we'll carefully place the one we want to use, making sure these holes fit in properly. Okay, that's good. Then we'll ensure that we'll put in the nut first. In most cases, it's always nice to put it across instead of putting exactly something like this, putting it across before you finally use your wheel spanner to tighten it. So then we'll make sure now we use our wheel spanner. So once the bolts are fixed, because remember it's still above the ground, so you can't tighten it very well. You just make sure you put the bolts rather, then try to tighten it a bit, and you come back to where the jack is and bring it down. So we are going in the opposite direction of lifting it up. And like I said, you don't have to be exactly as fast as I am doing this, but ensuring that you are doing the right thing is most important. So when it's finally down, you can see the jack is moving freely. So that means we've gotten it down. Then you come back and make sure to tighten these bolts properly, because if you are driving and not ensured that this is properly tight, you could start hearing a funny noise like the tire is about to pull up. And it takes a very, very observant driver to be able to identify that the nuts are not properly tightened. So you're good to go. If you enjoyed this video, just hit the like button and subscribe, so you'll be the first to get more videos on DIY, do it yourself, and others about vehicles. Thanks for watching.